For in Science Saturday, we're all worried about getting germs, especially teaching this to our children. So we're live at the Arizona Science Center once again with Steve Nielsen and Sari, talking about how we can teach our kids to really kind of be cognizant, especially right now, of passing those germs along. Good morning once again, Steve.
Good morning, Ty. That was very well said. Yeah, I mean, that's exactly what we're doing. And what's neat about this project Sari is going to show us right now is this is one you can do at home right now. I know there's a lot of people that are at home with their kids all week right now. They're looking for fun projects to do. This is one that really kind of demonstrates a lot of the things we're talking about right now.
Yes, so this is another activity that you can do to talk about disease spread with your kids. And these are products that you likely already have in your house or can get really easily at the grocery store. Like I said, disease spread. But we're going to use club soda and tonic water to talk about it.
Cool.
All right, so we've got a couple of plastic cups out here. I'm using pipettes, but you don't need pipettes. You could just pour cups back and forth, and that'll make more sense here in a second. So I'm filling most of these cups with the club soda. As you can see, it's a carbonated drink. Have you ever played with any carbonated waters before?
I've drank carbonated waters before.
All right, so
I'm trying to think if I've played with carbonated waters before. I don't know.
Well, and I ask that because some people know this. Tonic water has quinine in it, and let me show you something interesting about tonic water.
Whoa.
It glows blue. So we can use this here, see it glows blue, but when we do this with the others, it shines back the colored light of the black light here, but it doesn't really glow. Yeah. So this one glows. So we're going to use that as our infected person here. This is a representation of what can happen if you're not social distancing or if you continue to have contact with an infected person. So we are going to take this one and say, okay, this person happened to sneeze on this person over here. And then over here, these people shared a beverage, all right? And then over here, this person, they were sharing food, shook hands, there we go.
Yeah.
And then this person over here, we're going to leave that. This person's safe social distancing way over here. And then this person just started sneezing everywhere. I don't know, coughing. All right, so we're going to leave that and see what happens here by turning on our black light. Now you can start to see that you've got more and more glow already just by starting to mix it. And it's not as obvious right now, I'm sorry with the dark light, but if you start to mix these, you can see this spread. And it just shows the importance of social distancing or physical distancing, which we're starting to say. It's not that you can't be social because, of course, with distance learning, all the technology we have today, you can still be social, but keeping that 6-foot space between you and another person is really important. And just to demonstrate, I actually brought a couple of meter sticks, just so we can, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
All right, so if we were actually keeping 6 feet of space, this is what 6 feet of space really looks like between people, right? So 2 meter sticks. Because the droplets from coronavirus, from my understanding, the experts are saying they're really heavy and only travel about 3 to 4 feet. So you want to make sure that an infected person isn't anywhere near you. So keeping that 6 feet of space is going to be your safety distance.
Great demonstration to show all of that. And again, this is something you can do at home, which is great. But you know, the Science Center, it's closed right now, as many other businesses are, and a lot of the fun things to do are closed right now to try to keep that social distancing. But you guys are still doing a lot online.
We sure are. So every day on Facebook at 9:30 we have an early childhood lesson, and then every day at 1 o'clock we're doing some sort of activity or demonstration just to keep the wonder going. Wonder wherever you are. So if you're at home, it doesn't mean the science has to stop. We've got some great things for you, and on our website we've got activities, videos, and so much more, all at azscience.org.
Perfect. Sari, thank you so much. So a lot to do there, a lot of fun activities you can do at home, and they're all just kind of, I think, really great ways to show kids what we're talking about as adults right now, about some of the stuff that might seem a little scary and a little overwhelming, but when you kind of can be at home as a kid and tangibly understand what's going on, it might be a little more comforting.
Yeah, put it in perspective there. Well, thank you, Steve.